something quite fascinating you may not have considered before in Matthew chapter 8, the storm on Galilee. Jesus and the disciples are heading across. The storm explodes. The boat is tossed back and forth, filling with water. The disciples, seasoned fishermen, realize they're in immense danger. They call to Jesus. He calmly awakes, asks them why they're afraid, stops the storm immediately. They're stunned. What kind of a person can do this? You know the story. Bible scholar Adam Clarke presents something which is quite intriguing. David Guzik introduces this quote. I'm going to paraphrase it. And Adam Clarke says this: "It very well could be Satan, the prince of the power of the air, instigated that storm, whipping it up, realizing this prime situation for him to stop the plan of salvation altogether. If he can drown the Messiah and these little preachers along with him, the inner circle, why then Satan's thinking is he's won. He's stopped this worldwide evangelistic effort. And with that, Jesus stopped him." That's amazing when you see the many times we see in the scripture, Satan moving into Herod's thinking, and Herod having the slaughter of the innocents, thinking that if he would kill the Messiah child, he would stop all of this plan of salvation. We see in Revelation chapter 12 the symbolism of the flooding by the enemy to try to stop the Messiah child from being born and being brought into safety. And many times we see the attacks of Satan, such as in the wilderness, the testing of Jesus, on and on, when Satan says, if I can stop him in his incarnate form, I can win. Hence his belief of victory when Jesus went to the cross. We go back to this, Matthew chapter 8, an amazing consideration on this. Can we be dogmatic about it? No. But it is an intriguing thought when we see that the satanic forces may have just, under Satan's direction, caused that weather anomaly, but it was no problem to Jesus. He stopped it immediately. Fascinating study.